Welcome to a little video on multiply and divide rational expressions. So now when I say rational expressions, it means that there's a fraction times another fraction or a fraction divided by another fraction, things like that. So we want to be able to know how to cross cancel stuff. So notice that this 7 cross cancels with this 49. So I'm going to change that 49 to be 1, 7, and that goes away to 1. How many x's are there? How many cancel out? There's no x's on the right side, but there is some x's on the left. So I'm going to take out this 1x, and we're going to cancel with one of the x's there. So I have 1x still remaining, 7 still remaining. This 2 is going to remain. How many y's are there? Oh, check that out. So it's y times y. None of the y's cancel out. And then there's z squared and 1z. So one of these z's is going to cancel out. So I'm left with y squared z all over 7 times 2 is 14x. Oh boy. So that's how you multiply the two fractions together. It just goes straight across, right? But if it's division, you can't multiply straight across. You have to keep it, change it, flip it. So when I say that, it means that I got to keep this first fraction. So I'm going to put 5ab squared over 10b. I keep that one normal. I'm going to change my division sign to be multiplication, and then I flip this 3 over 2 to be 2 over 3, 2b over 3a. So now that I've done that, now I can multiply straight across, and I can cross cancel stuff. Notice this 10 is made up of 5 times 2, right? So this 5 cancel that 5, and that 2 cancel that 2. How many b's cancel? So we got a b that cancels there, and all the a's cancel. So we have a b squared left over and a 3 left over, and that's it. B squared, over 3. I sure hope I got those answers before. But now that's not just it. Sometimes there's some crazy problems like this madness right here, which if you look at it, it's pretty complicated. You can't cross cancel anything. You do not want to distribute all that, so you don't want to do this. But if you factor all these ones, then you can cross cancel what they factor into. This upper left factors into x plus 1 and x plus 1. That factors into that. The bottom left factors into x plus 1 and x plus 2. And then this multiplies straight across, and it factors into x plus 2 and x plus 3. Because it multiplies to 6 and adds to 5. And then the last one, x plus 4 and x plus 1. Now let's cross cancel everything that we can, and let's see what's left over. So we have an x plus 1 crosses out with an x plus 1. X plus 1 and this x plus 1. X plus 2 and that x plus 2. I like when all these things cross out, and we're left with just x plus 3 over x plus 4. Now this was a multiplication. If it was division, we would have had to have kept it, changed it, flip it. But good luck on these problems.